Well guys, I have been warned that it's going to be very windy today and tomorrow, but that's okay. It is time for a Key West experience, or at least the Keys so far. Gonna be making a stop here at Robert Is Here, and guess who's joined me, everybody? Angela. I picked her up from the airport last night, so we're gonna hang out in the Keys and take you with us today. Start here. Open year round. Oh man. Look at the hanging banana trees here. I mean, that's fresh there. And look, coconut monkeys. They're little footballs. Well, these apples traveled a long way. Washington. Aw. We got stuffs. Hey there.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
How is it?
Oh, that's good.
Ooh.
Get you right here.
Well, that's
right?
good.
Yeah.
We'll go put the groceries back in the RV, and then they got some more stuff back here. All right, look at the toucan. Toucan. Hey, buddy. You bite? You probably do, huh? Okay. See, they have this little outdoor area we can go look at. I have a feeling we're going to see a lot more of these today. Chickens everywhere. Gotta check your equipment first. I think my windshield's a little dirty. Whoa, check out these turtles! They're huge! There's two of them. Oh, he's looking at us. Hey, buddy. Good morning, big turtle. Do not feed the tourists who feed the alligators who eat tourists, which is bad for tourism. Yeah. Oh. This is new. I've got AAA on the way. The RV is completely immobile. It's not a battery issue. Obviously, the battery's brand new. We're not, I'll show you. So, everything comes on normal, in park. Turn it. Doesn't click, doesn't do anything. Battery's fully charged. Like I said, it appears to be a starter. So, waiting for a tow from AAA. Then we're gonna go to a shop, find out if we can fix this easily or what. Bad timing, man. Bad timing. Well, see what happens. Is this what you had in mind too?
Not exactly.
No? Okay. Hey, it happens. There's a place here in Homestead that's gonna take a look at it and see if it's a starter issue, or talking with Sean back in St. Louis. He was telling me it could be an ignition or a starter relay also. So a few things to look at least. That's promising. Mario's got us in here last minute. It's like 2 p.m. They got in, they're putting this priority right now, and they're saying starter. So this would be the first starter that I've had to replace in this RV. This has happened to me before in Clearwater, Florida, I think it was, in another RV. Same thing. Starter just goes out, no warning. Not weak, but we'll see what happens after we get this GM starter put in, see if that really is the problem. They're on the ball. An hour later, got the Wilson starter put back in, didn't fix anything. We are praying that the engine is not seized. So they're convinced that the new starter is also bad from the auto parts store. So they're on the phone. They're gonna swap the starter again for a different one. Okay. Okay. They got it, guys. Yoda's running. The third starter worked. We are delayed about 4 hours, but we'll see. I have reservations in Key West, so we gotta head there before it gets dark. right, I feel like we really got off the hook there. That was very minimal. Getting towed sucks, getting work done sucks, but everything done in the same day, and we're still gonna make it to Key West. 123 miles. You can tell by the turquoise barriers here that it's gonna start looking really nice soon. All right, hiccups out of the way. Here we go, Key West. Okay, we don't really have any set plans for lunch. We will be looking for a spot on the water. And I do apologize for all the clouds. Can't pick the weather. This is our only chance. So we're going to have to deal with a cloudy Keys adventure, but that's okay. We are greeted by the Key Largo snowman bobber guy here. Pretty awesome. Key Largo, Fontigo, baby, walla we go. That was that Beach Boys? I don't remember. All right, we're hungry. Gonna try out Wahoo's Bar and Grill here, right on Ismeraldo. I'll find out how you pronounce that. Mr. Scuba Shark there. It's very likely to get some fresh seafood here. They're bringing the boats in, rinsing off all the fish carcasses, and the birds are going crazy over there. It is cold and windy though. Whew. And there's the sunshine. Cool place.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Hey there. What a disgusting view. Yeah. They're out of a couple of the locals, but they do have the Sandbar Sunday. I think it's an ale, an island ale. Yeah. No, it's a wheat ale. That's tasty though. And they got from the docks. Ooh, they got a burger. Got our appetizer. Conch bites. Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Yes.
What kind of tacos did you get?
Black and mahi.
Black and mahi tacos. And I got the fresh from the sea. Yeah, Angela says the sea cow. All right, lunch was awesome. Holy cow, it's windy. Look at the water. It's teal out there. Even though it's insanely windy, the water looks nice. Okay, there's too much new stuff to stop at that I haven't seen, so we're gonna check out Robbie's here, just south of this Esmeralda Key. Yeah. Oh yeah, the flames. Ooh, they got magnets. Magnets. Apparently we're at Lower Metcalfe Key, where clearly money just grows on trees around here. Uh-huh. Alrighty then. Alright, it's time for dessert. We're gonna try to find some tarpons around here. A lot of pelicans, but for $4 you can try to feed some, so go see what we can find. Those do not smell very good. Can I help you? No. 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 Not yours. Look at these begging guys. This is not for you. Get out. Get. Okay, this is for the fish. Let it sink to the fish. No, excuse me. Excuse me. Looking for tarpon. Where's the tarpon? See lots of pelicans, no tarpons. There's one. There they are over here. I don't know if we got it or not.
Yep. Hey.
All right, good. There you go. There they are. Are you looking for a unique RV trailer to tow? How about an airplane trailer? And it's for sale. It appears to be fiberglass. No, it's metal, sorry. Maybe metal and fiberglass, but it's already got a couch. Cozy. Yeah, no fiberglass, just metal support. There's a stereo system and a kitchen. And no phone number. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Air conditioner on top, ready to go. It could be yours if the price is right. All right, it is getting late. We need to get to Key West, but I had to pull in here because this spot looked awfully familiar behind me. Anybody that's been following me for the last 3 years recognize this view behind me? This is the exact spot where I filmed my first intro more than 3 years ago with this RV, before the wrap, obviously, with these palm trees and that concrete block there. And I'm surprised they still haven't done anything with the property. There's a couple Class Bs over there, a fifth wheel getting worked on over there, but otherwise still just not being used for anything. Oh, and I will point out, still no signs that say no overnight parking in this area of Marathon Key. But yeah, If it were sunnier and the water was bluer, I might try to film a new outro. Maybe on the way, but nope, it's gonna be pouring rain when we leave. Well, we'll see. Anyway, now I'll pin the spot for the next time I'm down in the Keys, okay? All right. Good morning from Key West, Florida. We got in really late. Like I said, a lot of plans had to change and get adapted because of what we were dealing with yesterday, but I am glad we got through that ordeal. I'm glad it was nothing serious. I got this resort here in Key West out of pocket because I couldn't get any of the Thousand Trails Encore ones, so oh well. It's a nice secure spot to park the RV, and Angela and I can go around and check out Key West today. But it's really like any other RV park. I don't think there's anything special except chickens walking around everywhere, but we're really packed in like sardines here. People don't use it for the resort though. It's a place to park the RV and go explore. So they do have this little open air game room with pool, arcade, and a TV. And of course there's a pool. That pool's really busy for 10 a.m. Wow. Got a couple magnets. I got my Bobbery magnet with the legs and hands that move around. And I got my Key West, Florida license plate looking magnet as well. So 2 new ones. But anyway, Angela and I want to hang out, take our time, relax, enjoy each other's company a little bit the next few days. And I'll film Key West. And see you in about 3 days, guys. So have a good one. Bye-bye.